Did you know that students can join walking tours across London as part of our social programme? In this video, follow our guide Ian, who takes students around Camden. Here, Ian is pointing out how much Camden has changed over the years and how different it is today. Ian also showed the students cool bars, restaurants and venues in Camden, like the Hawley Arms. Many of these places have hosted gigs of famous artists like Amy Winehouse, such as the Dublin Castle, which you can see just here. Next, students checked out the trendy markets that sell amazing street food from around the world, vintage items, old vinyls, and funny t-shirts like these. Camden is also famous for its colourful street art, which you can see everywhere you look, and that brings this neighbourhood to life. There are even some from Banksy, Britain's most famous street artist. Finally, here is the beautiful Camden Lock, which Ian is pointing at.